50 Cent just trolled Rick Ross. And the yacht video is wild. In the rap game, no moment is too small to become a headline. This week, a video of Rick Ross on a yacht went viral. A clip that had fans zooming in, rewinding and guessing what they were really seeing. And of course, 50 Cent didn't miss his shot. He took the video, added his own spin, and turned it into a public roast, joking about what was happening on that boat and making sure the internet couldn't ignore it. Some fans are loving the joke, others say 50 crossed a line, and a few, they're wondering why people care so much in the first place. So tell me, was this just harmless fun? Or did 50 take it too far?